How to log out from all devices on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go on settings or profile option that is located down below, and then go on these three lines that are located up above, and then go to settings. As you go to settings option, then you have to go on security option. As you go to security option, then you have to go on passwords, and by knowing your right password today, you can change your password over here by entering your current password and new passwords. If you enter your password from here and change your password, then Instagram will automatically log out from all the devices and ask them to enter the new password. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.